Answer, Mama. How are you? Mariam, how are you? Answer. Huh? How are you? Are you good?
Good.
Good. Very good. Kalat ng bahay natin. How are you? Say good. Say good.
Mama.
Which one? This one? What is that? Butterfly. Say butterfly. Okay, butterfly. Butterfly. Anong beke? Baka man. Flower. Say flower. Change clothes to? Ayo! Call Papa na? Dali. Ay, no! No. Dirty. It's dirty. Yuck. Ay! Pinunas mo sa Lagay mo sa mouth mo. Ay, nako. Change the clothes. You want to go down? You want to go down? Go down? Mariam? You want to go down or no? Mariam. Hey. What is that? Beef. Say beef. Off? On? Turn it on. Very good. Cooking. Where's your cooking pot? Mariam, where's your cooking pot and spoon and fork? Fork, yeah. Spoon. Where? Where's the cooking pot?